Hey, what's up, everyone? I just want to shoot a quick video on Prettier. And so, what Prettier is it's a really awesome extension slash package slash a couple of different things that really handles code formatting for us. So, I am using right here, I'm using a React class-based component. I know, judge me all you want, but right now it's looking pretty gross. We got some kind of inconsistent indentation here in the H1s. We have inputs that are kind of just like this long text on change placeholder. Overall, this is looking pretty gross, and Prettier is going to really help with that, especially as we go to save things and if we really want consistent file formatting. So I'm going to go over here to extensions, and I'm going to go ahead and search Prettier. That's Prettier, and we're going to install that one. So that should be installed, and close it out. Now from the get-go, if we go and hit save, nothing happens. We actually just need to do a couple configuration whatnots. So let's go ahead and go into the extension settings. And what I'm going to do actually is I'm just going to go up to all my extensions here. So I'm just going to go rid of that. And let's look at extensions. And what I'm looking for real quick here is just one of the extensions that say edit in settings.json. Now you can go through and try to find where your settings.json is, but it's probably easier just to like find one off the settings page and just click that file. Okay, so just a couple things I need to add in here. Obviously, we have the configuration object for our settings. So here are like the various settings I have here. We have like zoom level. I could like zoom in, zoom out. Looks like it's dirty. Let's go ahead and save and retry. There we go. And you'll see that settings file changes as I zoom in and out. So this is kind of like the file that controls all the settings for Visual Studio Code. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and configure just a couple things. The first thing I want to configure is the editor. If you start typing editor, and we're going to look for format on save, and we want to set that equal to true. The next thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and configure Prettier with a couple of the options it has. Now there's actually quite a few options in here, but here are the three that I like to use. So we're going to do Prettier, and the setting I want is going to be trailing comma, kind of an industry standard at this point. So we're going to say trailing comma on ES5, and then we'll go Prettier, and then we're going to add in single quotes, and we'll set that to true. And then we'll do Prettier, and let's go ahead and do tab width. This is a big hot topic, right? So we're going to do tab width 2, so that's going to add in 2 spaces. We'll save that file. Now if I go back to my class-based component here and I hit save, you're going to see that snaps everything into place. All the stuff is consistent, and I'm feeling much less dirty. All right, that's a quick Prettier primer. Hopefully that helped you out. Thanks.